Today, we will be replacing the LCD screen of a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus phone. This guide can be used for all Samsung phones. Because the LCD is very fragile, please follow these instructions carefully and finish the whole video before attempting. And if your broken screen still has a good display, don't throw it away. You can send it to us in exchange for credit on our web store, where it can be used to buy accessories for your phone or iPad. What's more, shipping is on us. Contact us using the link in the description for your free shipping label. If your phone's frame is bent, we recommend that you send your device to us for repair. This is because a bent frame will not support your new screen and can easily cause damage to it. If you experience any problems, please contact us for technical support. We test each of our LCD screens before shipping, but some damages may occur during the shipping process. If the new screen doesn't work, first check the battery connection and display flex cable connection. If the problem persists, uninstall the screen and send it back to us for an exchange. Please check the display before applying adhesive. We do not accept returns of screens with adhesive applied. All the materials you need are included in your Lenwell screen kit, or can be easily found in your home. You will need a metal pry card, 2 plastic pry cards, a screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, a heating pad or hair dryer, and adhesive. Part 1. Removing the broken screen. First, heat the phone to 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit with a heating pad. You can also use a hair dryer, which we will be using in this video. Before using the pry cards on each side, heat the adhesive using the hair dryer. Don't hover over one place for too long. Heat the side evenly. The phone will be ready when it is hot to the touch. Next, gently separate the back from the frame using the metal pry card. After you have created an opening, you can then use the plastic pry card to slowly widen the gap. Be gentle and don't apply force upward. Move the card along the direction of the edge. Now, you can stand the phone up and carefully slide the card down both sides. Continue until all 4 sides are separated. Lift the back and set it to the side. Next, unscrew the motherboard from the middle frame. Gently lift out the middle frame. Cut off the phone's power by disconnecting the battery flex cable. Then, remove the charging port cover. Disconnect all flex cables and you can take out the motherboard. Remove the front-facing camera, SIM card, and SIM card holder. Next, remove the earpiece, vibration motor, and earphone jack. You can take out the motherboard. Lastly, you will remove the battery. Be careful during this step to avoid damaging or puncturing the battery. Use a flat-headed screwdriver and the plastic pry card to carefully lift the battery out. You have finished disassembling the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus phone. Part 2. Installing the new screen. Take the new frame and insert the speaker and vibration motor. Insert the motherboard and screw it in place. Then, insert the front-facing camera and connect all flex cables. Insert the earphone jack at a level angle. Be sure not to insert it diagonally. Screw on the charging port cover. Connect the battery. Be careful to align the flex cable correctly. Screw on the motherboard cover. Then, insert the SIM card and SIM card holder. Lastly, apply adhesive around the edges of the back and glue it on. apply pressure with a heavy object or rubber bands. Wait 2 to 3 hours for the adhesive to dry. Congratulations, you are done. Enjoy your new phone!